Hey everyone, if you want to create professional voiceovers without recording your own voice, Kapwing's text-to-speech feature can help. In this video, I'll show you how to use Kapwing text-to-speech from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the Kapwing website and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, create a new project or open an existing video that you want to add narration to. Next, upload your video or media files if they're not already in the editor. Arrange everything on the timeline before generating your voiceover. Now look for the AI tools or text-to-speech feature inside Kapwing. Click on it to open the voice generation panel. In the text box provided, type or paste the script you want the AI to read. For the best results, use clear punctuation and natural sentences so the voice sounds more realistic. For the best results, keep your script simple, use proper punctuation, and always review AI-generated narration before publishing your content. And that's how to use Kapwing text-to-speech in 2026. It's a fast and convenient way to create voiceovers for videos without needing a microphone or recording software. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.